Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to force Windows 11 to show file extensions so you can see exactly what kind of files you're working with, like knowing for sure if a document is a .pdf or a dangerous .exe in disguise. First, press Windows key plus E on your keyboard to open File Explorer. At the top of the window, click on the View menu. Hover your mouse over Show at the bottom of the list. From the side menu that appears, click on File Name Extensions. You will immediately see the 3 or 4-letter tags appear at the end of every file name in your current folder. Now, to make this change stick 100% across the entire system, we need to go into the Advanced options. Click the 3 dots at the end of the top menu bar and select Options. In the Folder Options window, click the View tab. Scroll down through the list under Advanced Settings until you find Hide Extensions for Known File Types. Uncheck that box. Click Apply and then click OK. And that's it. Your files are no longer hiding their identities. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.